Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a website that you can use to earn money online free right from your home by completing simple tasks. It's easy, you can start anyhow, you can do it anyhow you want it, but it's easy and you earn money from it. Before we get right into it, I'd like you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos. Let's get started. Right now I just get a message from freelancer. Let's get started into the video. I'm going to be showing you the website. The website I'm going to be sharing with you. Taskrabbit is a website you earn money by completing tasks around you. This Taskrabbit, just have to go on there, register, and then you start earning money free of charge. Easy and very flexible. You can do it anytime, anywhere you are in the world, but I think there are some countries are restricted, like Nigeria, Korea, and stuff like that. But here it is. All you have to do is just have to create an account, and then you start taking taxes, and then you start. This is my account right here. So you just have to find a tax nearby to you, then start taking different kind of taxes, and then you can see cleaning, home repair, mounting, furniture assembling, moving, different type of tax that you can complete. Easy taxes, plumbing if you're a plumber, electrical work, deep cleaning, organization, event staffing, run errand, wait in line, carpentry. Simple things that you can do to earn money. Even delivery is there. All you just have to do is just grab your phone right now, go to taskrabbit.com. I think I'll leave a link in the description to get there, register, and then start earning money. Thank you for watching this video. I would like you to watch